Bols vodka. We are making a drink to go with this special occasion. As you can see over here on the stove, we have the water boiling to 380,000 degrees Celsius, which is going to go out in the minus 35 and cause a cool scientific reaction that we can't explain, but we are going to do this. We are up to temperature, and we're going to pour this, just like so, into thy cup. Woo-wee! 3,857 degrees Celsius. Time for science. Stand back here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's freaking. That's intense. Okay, so 4,782 Fahrenheit is what we have now, and we're gonna try it in a different manner here. We're gonna put it inside of the Brake Clean spray bottle to see what we can cause. This is like real science, guys. You have to understand what we're doing right now is like just a whole different perspective of things. So, I'm gonna put the lid on like so. Gotta be careful to the touch. It's nice because it has a built-on handle, so you don't have to worry about burning your hands. Perfect. Okay, give it a few pumps like so. Okay, let's do this. I just cannot get enough of this shit. Wow. That's so intense, like you can't get enough of that, man. Like,
what happened there?
I had a little slip and fall.
Let's check it out.
Taller a day. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Like, how can people like not want to be in minus 35 with water that is heated to 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit, you know? Beautiful. That's all it is, baby. I have a joke. Okay.
Ford F-150 exhaust, cold start, MagnaFlow. All right, give it, bro.
That's science right there. Okay, fart.
Check this out, it's Matrix. How cool is that? Woo! What do you think, bro?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Why don't you tell me what you think, bro?
That's incredible. Never seen anything like this. My jacket's frozen.
Damn. Take a piss, take a piss. You know? Wow. Wow. Look at that piss, bro. That's a beautiful piss right there.
Alright, we gotta keep this piece.
Insane.
Give your car a...
Yeah. Give it a wash. Give it a wash. Wow. Let's see that. Instant freezing, bro? Instant freezing?
Ice.
Ice. Are you kidding me? Spray it. There you go. Wow. 2021. See what happens with scalding hot water out of brake clean. We're going to shoot this at the light. Here we go. That is amazing. Ready? You can't beat that. This is a beautiful thing. Woo! Holy shit! Where's the water even going? Like it's not landing on us. Like, Shimo. Woohoo! Shit! It's like 4 in the morning right now, or 5. We've had some drinks. Wearing flip-flops in minus 35. Shitload of fucking water. That's pretty bad. Bro, I can't get over this shit. Get it. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. I'm gonna check them right now. Isn't this cool? This is hot water.
Hot water?
Yeah, see, like it freezes. Look. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, Gord, thank you.
Okay.
Have a good night, buddy. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that scientific experience. I know we did. It was quite interesting to see how the water turned into ice in minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit. It was quite amazing, actually. And so you guys need to hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom of the screen there. And look forward to some new and upcoming videos from us here at, you know what. Cheers.